The beach. It's calling your name. Feel the warm sand, smell the salty air, hear the crashing waves. It's time for an adventure. The beach is nature's playground. It's a place to have fun and make memories. Whether you're with family or by yourself, there's something for everyone. So grab your gear and let's go. Are you ready for an epic day? I know I am. Let's explore the best ways to enjoy the beach. Want some action? The beach is your sports arena. Grab a volleyball and bump it with friends. Toss a frisbee high in the air. Ride the waves on a surfboard. Feeling brave? Try surfing. The ocean is your playground. But remember, safety first. Always wear a life vest and learn from experienced surfers. Feeling competitive? Challenge your family to a sandcastle building contest. The beach is your oyster. Let's get moving. Sometimes the best beach days are about relaxation. Lay back on the warm sand and soak up the sun. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin. Close your eyes and listen to the soothing sound of the waves. Bring a good book and get lost in a story. Listen to your favorite music on headphones. Let all your worries drift away with the tide. It's your time to unwind. Remember to hydrate. Drink plenty of water to stay refreshed. The sun and the fun can be tiring. Take breaks and listen to your body. Section 4. Family fun for everyone? The beach is the perfect place for families to bond. Build magnificent sandcastles together. Dig for seashells and create your own beach treasures. How many different shells can you find? Let's see. Walk along the shoreline and feel the cool water on your feet. Collect unique shells and stones. Build a sandcastle village with moats and bridges. The possibilities are endless. Remember to teach your children about beach safety. Always swim with a buddy and never turn your back on the ocean. The beach is a wonderful place and we need to respect its power. Section 5. Respect the beauty, stay safe. The beach is a gift. Let's keep it beautiful. Always throw your trash in designated bins. Help keep the beach clean for everyone to enjoy. Protect yourself from the sun. Wear sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. The sun is powerful, and we need to protect ourselves. Reapply sunscreen regularly, especially after swimming. The beach is an amazing place to have fun, relax, and create lasting memories. Respect the ocean, respect the environment, and have an epic day. See you on the sand.